Hey, what's going on? Michelangelo here. Just wanted to come to you live and introduce you to this new product that we got on the market right now. It's called the V.A.W, the Vehicle Attached Wallet. It's made to go in your car just for you. Because safety matters, here's what you do. It's going to hold your V.A.W permit, ID, insurance card, credit cards, and even money. So I just want to shout out this vehicleattachedwallet.com website so you can check us out when we're all done. And in the meantime, I just want to give you a little history about how this all came about. So the story goes like this. We was laying in bed one night and a news report came on about a man being pulled over by the police. He was asked for his driver's license and his insurance card. He told the officer that he had his CCW permit and he was also armed. You probably heard about this. Well, while reaching in his back pocket for his information, apparently the officer thought he was reaching for his gun. And he shot the man 7 times and killed him. So I told my wife, wow, if he had just kept his hands in plain view, he would probably still be alive right now to this day. I said to my wife, you know what? We're going to invent something where citizens can feel safe and provide this important information to law enforcement while in their vehicles. So we started working on something where you can keep your hands on the steering wheel at 10 and 2 in plain view and still have access to your driver's license, CCW permit, insurance card, etc. Instead of reaching in your back pocket or your purse, which is our natural instinct to do. So we would like to help and become a valuable part of a solution. That's what inspired us to make the V.A.W, Vehicle Attached Wallet, the V.A.W Company, LLC, because safety matters. So hurry, go to vehicleattachedwallet.com and order your V.A.W today. It just might save your life.